What would be the correct time to reveal my pregnancy to close ones? I'm going to answer this question, super important question. So the one word answer to this question is never when you're pregnant and only once you have delivered your baby. This is just my hot take on this subject. Hear me out. In my first pregnancy, I shared the news with everybody after 3 months after my first, level 1 NTNB scan, and I still lost my baby afterwards. In my second pregnancy, I chose to tell only a handful of very close people, no extended relatives, no family, no drama. Was it because of the fear of bad energy? Maybe yes, maybe no. Science may not support this. You know the vibes that you get from the people around you. You know the emotions that you're going through in your pregnancy. They are super real. More than anything, my pregnancy was a high risk pregnancy from the very start, and I wanted to protect my peace. Before revealing all the benefits of not announcing your pregnancy early, let me give you some statistics. Ki sadly, around 10 to 20% of pregnancies end in miscarriage, and around 80% of this statistics happen in the first trimester. So first trimester tak to aap please kisi ko mat batao. It's a request from my end. The pregnancy is in a very critical stage. Waiting till level 2 anomaly scan can sometimes help because it provides really important information on your baby's development and on the progress of your pregnancy in general. Benefits of not revealing your pregnancy too soon are that it will protect you from societal pressure and constant questioning. Also help you process difficult moments very very privately. It will also allow you to stay only close to those people who genuinely support you and you know your tribe. मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं कि आप किससे आपकी बनती है किससे आपकी नहीं बनती इससे बताओ इसे नहीं बताओ. You know your tribe, you know the energy and you know the vibes that you get from people. So in my second pregnancy, I revealed my pregnancy only when my baby was safely discharged from NICU after 2-3 hours post birth. That's when I picked up my call and I let everyone know that, hey guys, I was actually pregnant and my baby is here. Say hello. That's when it actually, felt really real to me. With that being said, every pregnancy journey is very different. Some women, announce early and have beautiful experiences. Good for them. But some women like me choose to wait. And I would like to say that both are valid. And I can only say that from afar, at the end of the day, it's going to be your call. Reveal at your own pace. Reveal your pregnancy when you're emotionally ready to and not when your society expects you to.